Hello guys, welcome back to another interesting video. Today I share with you how to make rocky cookies. Yes, without taking much of your time, let's get started. So guys, in a clean bowl, go in with your flour. We made use of 2 cups of self-rising flour. Now go in with your butter or your margarine. We made use of 2 tablespoons of margarine. So once you've added your butter or your margarine, go on and mix it. Rub between your fingers and thumbs until it resembles breadcrumbs, alright? Shout out to my newest and returning subscribers. Guys, I am very grateful. Thank you for your love and your support. I love it here, and it's because of you guys. Thank you so much. Please keep watching and engaging, okay? God bless you all. Let's continue, guys. So now you go in with your raisins. We are making use of 1/2 cup of raisins. Now introduce your honey. Yes, you can substitute it to sugar. And we made use of 4 tablespoons of honey. Yes. But if you prefer sugar, it's still fine. It just depends on what you want, okay? This one, it is vegan friendly. Anyone can have it, okay? It's good for a diabetic person. It is natural, good for everyone. Once you've added your raisins and your honey, continue mixing, okay? Mix to evenly distribute. Please, if you are using butter, remember to include 1/2 teaspoon of salt or just a pinch, okay? And if this is your first time meeting my video, welcome to Alma Sport. Here guys who cook, who bake, who do everything edible. Please do well to be part of this beautiful family. You will love it here. You can only do that by subscribing. Please hit the subscription button, turn on your notification bell to get notified each time I post new video. Thank you guys. So guys, let's continue. At this point, we are done mixing, okay? Now moving on to the next step. In a clean bowl, in a separate bowl, guys, crack in 2 eggs. Now whisk or beat it, okay? All done. Now pour the beaten egg into the mixture and continue mixing. At this point, you can use your knife or your fork to mix, okay? Keep going. Make sure you mix it well, okay? Now go in with 1/2 teaspoon of mixed spice, okay? Just for flavor. You can use vanilla essence, cinnamon, nutmeg, whichever one you have, okay? Now go on and mix to well combine. At this point, guys, we are done mixing. Moving on to the next step. Now with your hand, bring them together. Just this way. All right, we are done. Look at how it's looking. Next up, guys, grease your pan with some butter or vegetable oil. Spread in your baking paper. You can leave it out if you're making use of non-sticky pan, okay? Now it is time to mold our mixture into rocky heaps. Remember, we are making rocky cookies, yes. So you're gonna form them roughly, okay? Trying to make them look like rock. Just this way. Try to keep them rough. You don't need to make them look neat, no. Mold them into rocky heaps, okay? Just like this. Yes. At this point, guys, we are done. Look at how it's looking, ready to be baked. Now pop into your oven and bake for 15 minutes or more, okay? Just watch it closely so it doesn't get burned. And there you have it. Our delicious Rocky cookies are ready. They are set, guys. Look at how it's looking. Please give this recipe a go and let me know how it turned out for you in the comment section. Also, remember to share with your friends, families, and loved ones for them to try it out, okay? Now, transfer them in a cooling rack. Leave them to cool down before you devour it. But you know your girl, I like eating it hot, guys. So we're gonna be testing it, okay? Look at how it's looking. So delish. It's looking good already. Please give it a shot, okay? Now let's have a taste of it. Perfect. You will love it. Oh my, I'm sure you are salivating where you are. Guys, give it a shot. It's very easy and simple. Remember to subscribe, follow for more tasty recipes. Guys, it tastes so good. Bye.